Well, here in South A, there's plenty of ways to make money. And of course, TikTok is one of the best ways for you to earn some extra moolah. You're wondering how? Well, I'm sure you're here because the clock is tick-tocking for you and you need to make some money. Following are the best ways for you to earn some money for yourself. Well, all of that is, of course, coming just after this. TikTok. There are plenty of success stories in TikTok. However, not all of them have the same happily ever after ending. If you want to earn some money using TikTok, of course, we strongly recommend running a monetization on your account. But before all of that, of course, before you can monetize your TikTok account, there are a few things that you need to do right now. And these are the following steps. The very first mission for you is to get those numbers up, and then apply for sponsorships. Now, the question is, how do I do this? Well, as you know, that TikTok is a platform where you can perform all kinds of activities, like audio with songs, videos, and other clips, of course. You will never know when the video gets viral. Who knows? Maybe yours is next. In the past few weeks, there has been many plenty of challenges and trending videos, audio clips, and whatnot. And of course, companies are requesting TikTok influencers to include their brand names on this post. Essentially, this method now is called sponsorship. Well, starting off just a small account, like smaller accounts with 25,000 followers, they can charge you about 460 rands per post, with brand mentions, of course. To get the sponsorships, you can either apply for one or get it automatically. TikTok influencers with a massive following do not have to apply for sponsorships. The brands themselves, they reach out. But if you're small ones, hey man, you just have to apply. That's step number one. Let's move on now to the second one. Well, secondly, you can sell your merchandise to your TikTok fans, of course. Here in South Africa, many creators directly monetize their audience by selling their merchandise. This type of monetization does not rely upon whether the video went viral or not. So you don't need to join the As long as you have real fans, you can earn money by selling directly to them. The one thing that separates TikTok from other dominating social platforms, of course, is that it allows you to sell your products directly in the app. The designers of TikTok have created a template for more than 180 different products to support the creators. Most designers will add a link to their personal websites in the bio so that the supporters, of course, can buy the items. It will enhance the relationship between the creator and the buyers, and they can directly buy the product from them. So hey, you can do it. Take note. The next one is promotion. Audio sponsorships. Those sounds that a lot of people are jumping on are also one of the best ways to earn money on TikTok. You can release content for the brands in exchange for moolah. Through your branded content, of course, you can help the corporations here in South A to sell their products, and many creators will exploit that, and that will result in growth, of course. Most small businesses here on TikTok, as of course the creative side of promoting their product, they use these sounds. So approaching such kind of businesses will be helpful. The creators can add some humor or add music to the content to reach just a wider audience. It will help you as a creator set up more ads and also increase the follower count. So use this. Take note. Well, another best way, of course, is getting paid. And you're asking yourself, how? Well, slightly easy. Way easier than you think. TikTok is the only social media platform where a creator can get success while earning some moolah. Well, also, TikTok plans to launch the Creators Fund of about $200 million to expand its businesses by just $1 million here in this year, not here. in 2023, of course. And as of this recording of this video right here, it is still unsure how much a single South African TikToker can get. But to join this exclusive group of influencers, the only thing that you need is to get your account verified, of course. For this to happen, you need to reach at least 10,000 followers and 10,000 viewers. Once you reach the minimum criteria given by TikTok, you will receive a notification to join this fund, of course. See? Push! Get those numbers, man! Well, one of the best ways to also make money on TikTok, and a lot of creators are using this currently, is of course converting your gifts into diamonds. A lot of creators currently, if you can get on TikTok right now, are using this. They are calling them gifts. How now? How does it happen, you're asking yourself, huh? Here in South Africa, of course, the favorite creators, of course, will go live. Then their followers will send them their coins as a token of appreciation. Then coins is the gifts, of course. The coins is the gifts. They will send them the gifts. TikTok users, of course, can purchase these coins or these gifts inside the platform. And this is one of the most common ways of earning money on TikTok here in South Africa. And of course, as a creator, once you accumulate enough coins, you can turn them into diamonds that can be cashed out in the future. However, buying coins is only for users aged 18 years and older. And so, this requires a TikTok influencer to be 18 years and of course, older. TikTok then, once you've accumulated some money, transfers it to your PayPal, and then you get paid, Paul. Oh, boys!
Yasipana mfethu. Yasipana, relax, uzobona wena, uzobona. Angithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu yabo. You'll just see. Uzobona, but I am Yasipana though.
Well, there you have it. This was just one of the best ways for you to capitalize and make some money on TikTok, of course, here in South Africa. If you really enjoyed this video, if you really loved it and you made it this far, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, become officially part of the gang, the cool kids gang, because you're a cool kid if you made it this far and you're a part of this channel. Man, this is the coolest channel for cool kids, of course. And hi, this is ZLX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Something crazy nje. Shy back nje endlini. Zupa. Ubona ukuthi iyashayeka yini.